Hi guys, so today I'm trying to fix this Makita battery charger. The customer says that it cannot work, so I will try it first. Okay, no, it's not working, it's doing no lights, so it's not working. Okay, so let's open and see what is that inside. Okay, so let's see what's happening here. It's disconnected from the grid, but we need to be careful because the capacitors are still with some charge, so I don't want to get shocked today. So let's see. Okay, first let's check the wire. So everything is good with the wire. I have a cheap multimeter right now because the other one, I don't know what happened with them, so I will use this one. Okay, let's check the fuse first. Okay, fuse is good. Let's check the wire. The thing. It's good. It's good. Okay. So everything is good with the wire, with the fuse too. So let's check board. Okay, look at this. What is this? I have found this type of fault before with these resistors. Okay, in the same battery charger, same type of battery charger. This Makita charger have this fault in common. Okay guys, if you have one that is broken, it's probably because of this resistor, is this solder. Okay, so let's solder this one. I think the board is loose, but I don't know, so and it's not loose. I need to remove this. Okay, now it comes off. The board comes too. Okay, careful to not touch the capacitors, the big capacitors. Okay, like this one over here. Careful to not touch it because it's a big capacitor of a charge, a big charge. So be careful with that. Okay, let's see. I want this solder to come, and I think it's good. So I try to put here now the resistor. The length is just the right length. It will be difficult to make a good solder, but we need to do it. Let me try to put something here below to secure the resistor. Okay, I think it's good as it is. Okay, and let's go solder this one. Let's see. I don't know if it's good, but I think it is. It's not coming off, okay? It's a little bit shaky. But I think it will not come off. Okay? Let's check if everything is working. I'm going to put this in here because I have here metal stuff. I don't want to make a short circuit. Okay, so let's try to fix. Let's try to see if it is good. Okay, the LED is blinking, so I think we are good. Let's mount again, and it's good. Okay, let's go. I have no batteries here to check. Done batteries, I have a lot of batteries, but they are all screwed up, so I can't check if it is good, but I hope so. I will talk to the customer and we will try with a Makita battery. The light is blinking, I don't know how to test it, but I think it is good. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.